Hi, welcome to all of you. In this particular session, we are going to see a string and its operation in Python. So, our agenda would be we will see the overview of a string and then all its operations. We will see a demo in Jupyter Notepad. So, a string, as we know, a string is collection of characters, and you can see if we write like that, hello. So this is also one string, and this is a collection of characters. In double quotes also, if you write hello, then this is also one string. And this string, the important feature is that it's immutable sequence of characters. So we have to understand this important concept. What is the meaning of immutable? Immutable means this cannot be changed. Once created, cannot be changed in line. So meaning is that let's suppose we have one string s and this is stored in memory like this. So it index start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash 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 n minus 1. N minus 1 here is because we are starting from 0. So if the length of the string is 9, so it will be here till 8 because this is 0. So this will be 9 minus 1, 8. So it will come till 8. So how this particular string is stored in memory? So at the 0th index h will come, at the first index e will come, at the second index l will come, then third l, and then 0. Immutability concept come in picture when you say I want to change the 0th index of this particular string with, let's suppose I want to change with j. So this you cannot do. This will give you error. That I will show you when I will explain with the demo. So I will show you what kind of errors we get when we do this one. So the string is immutable. Once you define, you cannot change it in line. So that is the actual meaning. And when something is mutable, so that is changed. Okay, so let's proceed. These are the all string operations. There are many more. Few of them are I'm going to explain. If you want to go through all of them, please go and refer this particular document. You can get all of the operations related to string. So here we have, let's suppose we have one string s, and then s dot count, this count the number of occurrence of substring inside this. Then s dot find the first position where substring occurs. S dot split into a list of substrings. This all we will see in our demo. S dot replace with old substring with new substring, and then find but return the rightmost position. So that we will see. So here you can see that this is one empty string, my string, and if you print the length of this string, so this is len will print the length of the string. So let's run this particular one. So as of now, if you can see here, there is no string here, it's empty string, so the length is also 0. This is the string operations, creating a string. So how we create a string? So this is the way we create a string in Python. So my str, this is my first string, and if you print this one, so it will print this is my first string. Here you can see we are adding two string. In terms of concatenation, you can say that we are concatenating two string, my str with my str. So here two string will be concatenated. If you add two numbers will be added. So the operators perform different actions with different data types. So here it is a string, then it will be strings will be added. If you have a number, then the number will be added. Let's suppose 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So this kind of things will happen. So if you run this one, so this is my first string, then this is my first string. So my str is also this one, and then my str same pointing to this one. So it is printing two times. You can see here there is no space between these two strings. So here we are putting one space so that it will be clearly visible. So here you can see this is my first string, then a space, and then this is my first string. Now if you have a string and you want to split that word by word, so let's suppose this is my first string and it is separated with a space between two words, and if you split this one, so you can see here this is giving one complete string, and this is my first string. So this this one is my first string. And if you can see here it is a space here, but if you separate the word by comma and then if you split it, then see what is happening here. So you can see here this is one particular string. This has printed complete string here. It has not splitted it. You can see the difference between these two, right? This one is splitted here when it was a space, but here we have given comma, so this is one string it has given. But if you see here, I want to split with comma. Now you see what is happening here. So here it is splitted with comma, and when you print here my str and 0, then you see what is printing this. So you can see here when I am printing s equal to 0, so this is split I have taken inside this s, and then s0 it will print the first word. Similarly, if you do here in this one, s equal to my str dot split, and then if you print s0, so let's what is happening here. So it is printing the complete string because the splitting has not happened. It is a complete string. That's why it is not giving s0 because it's one string. So I hope you would have understood the difference between these two. Now, so return hello world. So that means the leading this particular space and this space would be removed by strip method. So if you run this one, so you can see here this is one string and the space has been removed, this space and this one. If you want to convert to the lower string in this lower side, so you can keep like this. So every character has been converted to lower capital, lower character you can see here hello world. Similarly, if you want to be in uppercase, so this will be print uppercase. Now if you want to replace E with J, so see what is happening here. So here you can see E has been replaced with J. So this replace function will replace this particular string with this. This is the destination string and this is the source string. If you want to find some character, let's suppose I want to find EL. So it will give you, see what is giving. It is giving 1. So that means the E has been found at the first index. So this is H is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the operations we can perform on strings. There are many more operations are there that you can go and see on that docs.